When it comes to home improvement projects, door installation in Houston might not always be the first thing on your mind, but it's a crucial part of maintaining your home's security, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, getting the installation right is essential to avoid future problems and ensure longevity. Unfortunately, many homeowners make common mistakes during this process. To help guide you through a smooth installation, here are the top 7 mistakes to avoid during door installation in Houston. Choosing the wrong door type for the climate. Houston's hot, humid, and sometimes stormy weather can take a toll on doors that aren't suited to the climate. It's important to choose a door that can handle the extreme temperatures and humidity. For instance, wood doors can warp and swell in Houston's high humidity, leading to difficulties in opening and closing. Instead, consider fiberglass or steel doors, which are more durable and resistant to the elements. Improper measurement. One of the most common and frustrating mistakes during door installation is inaccurate measurements. A door that's too big or too small can cause drafts, leaks, and security issues. To avoid this, take careful measurements of the door frame before purchasing the new door. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional installer who can ensure the door fits perfectly. Even a fraction of an inch can make a difference in a door's performance and aesthetics. Neglecting to account for the door swing. When installing a new door, it's essential to choose the correct direction for it to swing. If you install the door incorrectly, you might find yourself unable to open it fully, or it might block traffic flow in your home. Make sure to consider the layout of your space and the direction in which the door will swing when making your selection. Additionally, when replacing an existing door, ensure the swing matches the door that's being replaced to avoid any confusion. Skipping the proper weather stripping. In a city like Houston, where temperatures can soar and humidity levels remain high, weather stripping is essential to maintaining an energy-efficient home. Without proper weather stripping, your door can allow drafts, moisture, and insects to enter your home. Be sure to install high-quality weather stripping around the edges of the door to prevent these issues. This simple step can help keep your energy bills down and protect the interior of your home from the elements. Overlooking security features. While aesthetics and energy efficiency are important, security should be a top priority when installing a new door. Many homeowners forget to ensure their new door is equipped with proper security features, such as a sturdy deadbolt, high-quality locks, and reinforced frames. Houston is a large city, and like any urban area, it's essential to have a door that offers maximum protection for your home and family. Investing in a secure door with the proper locking mechanisms can significantly reduce the chances of a break-in. DIY installation without experience. Door installation may seem like an easy DIY task, but it requires precision, experience, and the right tools to get it done correctly. Many homeowners attempt to install a door themselves and end up making costly mistakes that require professional intervention. Not only can improper installation affect the door's functionality, but it could also lead to voiding the manufacturer's warranty. Hiring an experienced professional ensures that the installation is done right the first time, saving you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Forgetting to check local building code. Houston has specific building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing a new door, particularly when it comes to entry doors or exterior doors. For example, doors in certain locations, like fire-rated doors in multifamily buildings or exterior doors in hurricane-prone areas, may require special materials or designs. Failure to adhere to local building codes can lead to fines, delays, or even the need to redo the installation. Always check with a licensed contractor to ensure the installation meets all local requirements. Final thought. A successful door installation in Houston requires careful planning and attention to detail. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong door, taking inaccurate measurements, or neglecting security, you can ensure that your new door serves you well for years to come. If you're unsure about any part of the process, it's always a good idea to hire a professional to handle the installation. After all, a properly installed door not only enhances your home's curb appeal and functionality but also ensures that it stands up to Houston's challenging climate and provides the security you deserve.